for schools with rolling admissions, how soon after the interview are you likely to hear about your status? Great question. So if we're talking about osteopathic medical schools can extend acceptances at any time. So we have students who are getting acceptances from osteopathic medical schools a week, 2 weeks after they interview. For allopathic medical schools, it's a very different process. The earliest date that an allopathic medical school can extend acceptances is October 15th. So nobody is hearing from an allopathic medical school until October 15th. Now, last year we did have a student, and I don't know exactly how this happened, but we have a student who did hear from an allopathic medical school before October 15th. So I don't know, because those are AMC guidelines. I'm not exactly sure how that happened, but there is one medical school in the country, NYU, it happens. We've had a couple students who have heard from them before October 15th, okay? Now, most medical schools, when a student interviews, they're gonna give them an idea of the timeline, and that is going to be hugely variable. There are some medical schools who might say, you should hear from us in a month. There are other schools who are going to say, you're gonna hear from us in March, if let's say they release all of their acceptances all at once. There are other medical schools that are going to release their acceptances in certain sort of waves. So maybe their first bunch of acceptances are going to go out after the new year or in December. Now, 10 years ago or so, when October 15th would roll around, most medical schools, except for those that released all acceptances in March, most medical schools would release some acceptances. We are seeing now that more and more medical schools are kind of holding on to those acceptances and not extending them right on October 15th. But every year we do have some students who receive their initial acceptances on October 15th.